So besides the fact it looked like a gnome with his hat, this is the haunted sawmill. So this is the haunted sawmill. And then here's all the pictures. You know what I mean? The light is making it all weird where you can't see it. But supposedly, you know. Look at that. All the people are just like right there, you know what I mean? Oh, look at this one. The dumpster's right there, so I can't get that close. But look at that, the clown. This is the clown with the saw, the sawmill. Anyway, this is what it looks like, the haunted sawmill. Tickets. There's a circus tent. See that circus tent right there? That circus tent is pretty cool. Gnoming out. Big circus tent. And there's a pile of skeletons and a ladder. This is the maze. There's like a maze type thing right here. Tickets. Right there. Treats. Tickets and treats right there. At the window. So if you go up to that window right there, there's tickets and treats. See that? And then, wow, that looks haunted in there. Haunted sawmill. This used to be a sawmill and they just made it haunted, you know what I mean? It's pretty cool. Well, anyway, I'm going to end the video. Hopefully I'm not gnoming out too much. But yeah, like, look at this. Right there. And then circus tent. So if the lighting wasn't like, like it is, I'd be able to show you all the pictures from the haunted sawmill right here that's up here. Like that one's pretty cool, I think. So yeah, you can see it from here. You can see all of it from here right there. You know what I mean? And that. Yeah, take care, girls. Neil worships the divine goddess. This is a haunted sawmill. So, something will jump out as you creepy. Like, I got pretty creeped out last night thinking the Wendigo was out there. So, wish me luck.